All right, today we got the filters for the LARQ bottle that I had gotten a couple months ago. So here's the LARQ bottle that I've been using, the LARQ PureVis 2, and they actually just sent this out probably I want to say like a couple weeks ago, a week ago, but I haven't really had a chance to use it because I actually was in Jamaica. So, but it does come with. So this is the filters that I thought were initially going to come with the bottle itself, but after reading about it, it actually does say that they're going to ship out later on. Every 6 months, they'll give me three of these. So I guess these last about 2 months each. But this is what you get. You get it in this cool, nice package here. It's actually really cushioned. I almost kind of I wanted to keep it and reuse it, but I actually cut it open, so now I can't. Um, but you got the packing slip here, and it does have the LARQ bottle essential uh, filter. So I did get the essential. There's two different kinds of filters. There's the essential one, and then there's like a super premium one. So the super premium one, after reading about it, that one's gonna be probably like that's good if you're going out to like just nowhere, right? If you're just going to the wilderness and you may not have access to a stream of water and you need to kind of filter out some stuff. I mean, I don't know exactly what that would be used for, but that one, from my understanding, cleans water by a lot. This one, it's more so that's let's see what it says. So this one is the essential bottle filter, improves water quality and taste by removing PFOA, PFOS, chlorine, and more. Um, let's see. Meets the NSF, NC 42 and 53 standards. I I don't know what else it does, but I will say this: when I was out in uh, Jamaica, we had bottle of water there as well, but I actually carried around my LARQ bottle pretty much everywhere we went. That way, um, I know that. So when my dad went to Thailand, he drank some of the water there and he got a little bit sick from it. So I think this is kind of one of those things where this bottle is actually really good if you're going into a country where you're not necessarily used to the water that they have in that country. So this is the filter. I actually already removed the old filter that was in here. So, but we'll go ahead and install a new one. So there is a pull tab here. It doesn't work, but this does. Okay, so um, inside you do have the three. Once you open the tabs, you can see that there are three filters in here. And what is this? Okay, yeah, it's just three filters in here, like that. No, and there is instructions here too as well. Okay, so I only need one. So I'm going to go ahead and put the other two back. So, and we're going to go and install the new one. So this, again, that's everything that's in this. It's just those three filters. I've already taken out one filter. This is how one of the filters look. Very small, but this apparently cleans a lot. And then you do have the instructions here. So you want to douse it for about 10 seconds and then insert it into the LARQ straw from your bottle. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep that up, and then I will see you guys here in a second. All right, I'm back. I've doused it for about 10 seconds. You can kind of see, and it says now we want to insert it into straw itself, and then put the cap. And again, you want, so this is the side that's going to be on the bottom. The other side actually has an opening. Let me see if I can kind of pull that out. Yeah, so that's the other side of it, and you're just going to insert that into the LARQ straw. Grab your cap cover, and that should be it. So simple enough. And that just goes straight into your LARQ bottle. And now you are drinking fresh, clean water everywhere you go. And then you got your app, and then you'll know that it's fresh and clean. Simple as that, easy enough. That is the LARQ Essential Bottle Filters. Again, I thought this came with the bottle itself, but so it does. It does come with this, but you don't. This doesn't get shipped out until about 2 months after you've had your bottle. So I received this about 2 months after I bought the bottle initially, and then these shipped out. It does come. The LARQ bottle does come pre-installed with one inside already. You do still have to douse it, but it does already come with one. But other than that, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.